Hi, I'm Gareth from Udell Electrical Services. Tool Talk have sent me this hole saw kit from Profit. It's a new kind of wooden hole saw kit. I've been using it for a couple of weeks and I find it really handy. Before I had it, I've been using the bog standard hole saws that everybody kind of uses. Now these are more designed for metal work with the sharp teeth, but you can use them on wood, and a lot of people do use them on wood. The problem with using them, when you drill out, you end up with a plug that's stuck in there, and you end up having to fish the plug out bit by bit with a screwdriver, and it takes a lot of time. The Profit has redesigned the whole point of the hole saw. These are designed for wood, and I have found them super quick at drilling through. There's a separate arbor, that's a 8mm arbor, which does the smaller hole saws, or you get the bigger arbor, which does the 10mm, is a 10mm size and does the bigger hole saws. So this one here I've got as a 38mm. You literally take the arbor and slide it onto the hole saw. There's a little lever there that pushes in and clicks in, so it's got a positive click in, so you know that the hole saw's there. As I say, I've been using these a couple of weeks. As you can see here, I've already drilled a couple of holes in this wet bit of 3x2 and it flies through. I can do another demonstration. Straight through. So as you can see, the plug is in the hole saw. You literally just press the button in, pull the hole saw towards you. That leaves the plug there. You can twist it off the drill bit, and that's the plug out. So they come in different sizes. You can get several kits, but the one that I've got here is the 38mm. The other opportunities that I have used them, and this is a real life situation, we fit a lot of consumer units which are metal. They come with a slot in the back, and we fix them to a wooden back plate to make it all tidy, that the cables can come through. As you can see here, there's normally a wooden slot that we cut into the backboard, and the consumer unit goes over the top. What I generally do with these is use the hole saw, the 38mm hole saw, slide it in, and then line it up in the middle and do one at either side. One that side, one that side, and then I can get my jigsaw out and saw straight across there, which gives me a nice tidy groove. So that's a real life working side. I really do like these hole saws. They seem to have spent a lot of time and effort recreating a good hole saw. I certainly will be investing in more of these as time goes by. I certainly will keep the old-fashioned ones in my toolkit for when I do metal work, cut metal sort of trunking and stuff like that, but any sort of wooden stuff I'm going to now switch to these Profit ones. They just seem a lot simpler and a lot more straightforward to use. So go ahead and get yourself some.